Meaning of Eliza Doolittle.
Eliza Doolittle.
Eliza Doolittle.
Eliza Doolittle.
Eliza Doolittle. Eliza Doolittle is a fictional character from George Bernard Shaw's play Pygmalion. The story follows the transformation of Eliza, a Cockney flower girl, into a proper lady through the coaching of phonetics professor Henry Higgins. The character has come to be associated with the idea of social mobility and transformation, as well as themes of gender, class, and language. In popular culture, the name Eliza Doolittle has been used to refer to individuals who undergo similar transformations or reinventions in their lives.